All right, guys. I am in my pajamas and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna head to this kid's school for Polly's Polar Express party. And then we're gonna head to Archie's class and then come home, work for a couple hours, and then go to a skate night for school. So another busy day. All right, just a small hiccup. I was halfway to the school and realized I forgot the crock pot. You know, the crock pot that I said that I was gonna prep for yesterday and then take yesterday, because I was like, you know, I'm nervous that I'm gonna forget it on the day of, so I'll just take it today. And then I didn't take it yesterday because I was like, no, you know, I'd like to clean it again, make sure that it's like all clean. I don't know, it's just, yeah, and then I forgot it. So I'm rushing back safely, a safe rush back, and we're gonna grab it and then keep heading on. And it's just a small little hiccup. It's fine. I still have way enough time until we're even starting the Polar Express. So no worries there. But just wanted to take you guys along the insanity that is my life and in my brain, because I am all over the place. I also need more coffee. Budding. Okay, just checking back in. I did manage to get the house tidied up. I did clear off the table as much as I can. This stuff is for our party on Saturday. And then there's some presents that I still have to wrap for that. The only thing I did not get to do, I like tidied up in here. I did not get to do the dishes. That's fine. And I have not gotten to fold the laundry, but that is fine. I did a little bit of work. Now I'm heading to Archie's school, and I actually went through and grabbed 2 pairs of shoes because the school always asks for donations, and I figured some kids might need some. So I got a bag of stuff to take into the school. Take a deep breath. I probably should touch up my makeup because I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna go.
Florida knows 5 flamingos dancing, 4 candy canes, 3 shells to collect, 2 dreidels spinning, joy and memories to fill me with glee.
All right, Nash's teacher gave them a little gift, and she gave them 3 pencils with their names on them. Oh my gosh, and she gave them cozy socks. The sweetest. All right, we are heading to the skate night.
Down blow. Shoot down!
I am actually in bed finishing up work, and this concludes day 14 of Vlogmas. I can't even believe, well, day 15 for you guys. 10 days till Christmas. Oh my gosh. Feel prepared. I still need to do quite a bit of wrapping, but for like the gifts for me and Sean and stuff. And I have a couple more gifts to give, but I'm still unsure about those things. And I don't need those yet. So I'm doing fine. Today was another crazy day. I feel like it's annoying that I talk about how crazy everything is, but it is. You know what I mean? So we had a full, I feel like I ran a marathon today, being in 3 different classrooms, because at one point I was actually in Nash's classroom too. Not for long, but just to kind of confirm that she was good to go for their pizza party. And then finished out the day in Archie's class, came home, worked for an hour, then the kids got home, worked a little bit longer, got dinner, and then we went to skate night at the kids' school, which was so, well, not at their school, but at a place locally that helped us to host it. And it was so fun. The kids had such a blast. And I was so proud of my kids because we never have gone skating. We haven't skated. We've skated once, and it was years ago. And so I was so stinking proud of them. They were all so courageous. And even Polly was a little bit too courageous for my liking because she would not use the little walker things that we rented. And she did not want to use them. And I was like, girl, you have to use these. Like, this is what this is for. And like, you can really get hurt. It's all good things. You know, it's like she's so strong and she's so brave. And, you know, my mommy heart has a hard time with that sometimes. With the boys, it's just so much easier for me to talk them into like something like that, like something for safety. It's so easy to talk the boys into that, but it is not so easy with Polly, which is a good thing, you know? We need all sorts of people in this world. So I'm rambling now because I'm procrastinating on finishing work, but I am going to finish work and then pass out, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.